Look at this funny kitten. Her name is Musia and she is 2 years old. She's really very funny. Look at her eyes. She really likes people and to play with us. Really very nice little cat. Look at her eyes. She's really amazing. If you like to adopt, you can use the details below and adopt this little funny cat. Aw.
Получается уже третья, не надо. Да, сделайте так и вообще на полку. Сейчас расскажу.
Кто любит?
Единственное, что...
Yeah, да. Hyperactive cat, fragile and slender, resembles a Bengal in behavior. She wants to run, jump, and climb the net with ease and pleasure. Really, so nice. Oh, she wants to play like this. Give me five. Give me five. Yeah, five. If you're looking for just such a cat and a talented kitten, she is waiting for you and for your help. She loves meat, she just adores it, and wet food. She hardly eats dry food. She asks to eat 3-4 times a day, like a kitten. Always ready to run and play. Must be the only cat in the family. She may find a common language with a small dog. Really, so nice.
Ну, может быть, знаете такое сначала.
Есть?